Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you some information on my November 2020 online classes. In November, I am going to be offering 2 online classes. In each class, we will be creating 6 differently designed cards. The first class I'm offering centers around the Snowflake Wishes stamp set and its coordinating dies, So Many Snowflakes. Now you are going to need both the stamp set and the dies to create this class. The second class is centered around the Toile Christmas stamp set and its coordinating dies, Christmas Cardinal. And again, you're going to need both of these to create the cards. Let's go ahead and see the cards for the classes now. So here are the cards from the Snowflake Wishes class. One of the things I love about these cards are the fine little details in those snowflake die cuts. Each of these cards explores different ways to use this stamp set and dies to create these beautiful cards. Another fun thing we are going to be doing with these cards is using some shimmer paint on those die cuts to create a fun holographic shimmery kind of look. And you can see that right there in this paper here, as well as in that die cut, and this one over here as well. And so a lot of our die cuts have that fun shimmer paint applied to them, and we're going to be learning how to do that in the class as well. And then here is that last card. And again, you can see that shimmer paint on those die cuts. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about some of the things you're going to need for this class. So in the picture, you'll see that you're going to need the Snowflake Wishes stamp set, the coordinating dies, So Many Snowflakes, and ink pads. And there are a lot of blue ink pads here. So we have Pacific Point, Highland Heather, Coastal Cabana, Misty Moonlight, Balmy Blue, and Pool Party. Now you're also going to need the 2 punches that you see in the picture as well. The first one is the Banner Triple Punch, and the second is the Banner Pick-a-Punch. When you sign up for this class, you will receive a class packet that includes everything you need to create these cards. It will include 6 card bases and 6 white envelopes, and all the pre-cut cardstock, designer series paper, and vellum that you need to create these cards so that we can quickly and easily put them together. You will also receive a full roll of the Snowflake Splendor ribbon, a 1/5 of a packet of blue adhesive backed gems. You will also receive your own shimmer paint in frost white and a single sponge dauber to apply that shimmer paint to our projects. You will need just your regular crafting tools such as adhesives, scissors, a pickup tool, bone folder, the things that you see here in the picture, as well as a Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine or something similar to use the die cuts with. So let's go ahead and see the cards for the Toile Christmas class. And so one of the things I love about these cards is this beautiful designer series paper. It has some copper accents, and so it's a really fun one to work with. And I feel like these beautiful dark colors help that fun cardinal, Christmas cardinal, pop from the card. And it just creates a really beautiful focal point. This one's a fun one because we create kind of a window scene and we have the pieces coming out of that window. So that's a really beautiful card. And you can just see how that beautiful pattern paper just really adds to those cards. So here is the last card. And this one, I love these little pine boughs and how it kind of feels like they are covered in snow. All right, so let's see what you're going to need to create these cards. So you will need the stamp set Toile Christmas and its coordinating Christmas Cardinal dies. You will also notice that there are only 3 ink pads that we're using. They are Night of Navy, Mossy Meadow, and then the Memento Black ink. To color in the cardinal, we're using 4 different colors of Stampin' Blends. We've got the Cherry Cobbler in both the light and the dark. We have Crumb Cake in, again, the light and the dark. We have Daffodil Delight in light and dark. And then Old Olive in light and dark. So you're going to need to make sure you have these items on hand to create these cards. So here are the things that are going to come in your class packet. You're going to receive 6 card bases as well as 6 very vanilla envelopes. You're also going to receive all the pre-cut cardstock, vellum, and designer series paper to create these cards. Some of the other fun things you're going to receive in your class packet include the wonderful gems, and you're going to receive a full packet of that. And that's so that you can choose to either use the clear gems or the red gems on your cards. And you're also going to receive a full packet of the Playing with Patterns ribbon combo pack. Now this combo pack includes 3 different types of ribbon. And for our cards, we're using the Night of Navy thin ribbon that you see here in the picture. And so the other 2 ribbons that will come in that pack, you can keep and use for any projects in the future. Again, I'm showing you the supplies that you're going to need for this class. And they also include the adhesives and paper cutting tools, as well as a Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. So I hope you enjoyed seeing those beautiful cards that I've created for my 2 November online classes. So just to finish telling you a little bit more about my classes, each class is $30. If you choose to participate in both classes, you will receive a $10 discount on the total price. So your final price will be $50 for both classes. To sign up, you can email me at chelsea@creativechelsea.com, letting me know which class you'd like to participate in. So remember, we have the Snowflake Wishes stamp set class or the Toile Christmas class, or if you'd like to participate in both. Now, when you sign up, I will be sending you a PayPal invoice to pay for your class. Once you've paid for the class, you will receive a private Facebook group link. And in this group, I will provide the live class sessions to share with you how to create each card, as well as written PDF tutorials so that you can continue to create cards or have that written PDF available to you while you create your cards. Now, if you're not available to join me live, these sessions will be available in the Facebook group at any time for you to watch to create your cards. These sessions will take place during November 2nd through November 13th. We usually do the classes on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for those 2 weeks. Another fun thing we do in these classes are giveaways. And these giveaways usually happen Fridays after each class session. And they're just little ways for me to tell you thank you for joining this class. Each member of our class will receive a giveaway, and if you're able to join me live, then you can choose the prize that you will receive. Now, if you do not have a Facebook account and would still like to participate in this class, you can join me through an email link. And all you need to do is just when you email me to join, please let me know that you are not on Facebook. And then I will make a note of this. And at the end of each session, I will email you a link to a YouTube video sharing with you the live session from that Facebook group, as well as the written PDF tutorial, so that you can create your cards on your own time. You can find all this information on my blog. I have included a link to my blog as well as my email address in the description box below so that you can contact me with any questions or to sign up. These classes are really fun, and I would love to have you join me. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.